Hi, I'm Freya. I'm the editor and community manager of 3DMedNet. On the 31st of January and 1st of February, 3DMedNet and the Journal of 3D Printing in Medicine were in Maastricht in the Netherlands at the 3D Medical Expo. It was my first conference since joining 3DMedNet, so I was really keen to meet all of you and find out what the hot topics were for this rapidly growing industry. At booth number 10, we were giving away 3D glasses and 3D drawing pads, as well as talking to you about why you should join 3DMedNet, the community for scientists in 3D printing. And we were also talking to authors about why they should submit to the recently launched Journal of 3D Printing in Medicine, which had its first issue just a few weeks ago. We also had our very own Ultimaker 2 Plus 3D printer printing skulls on our booth thanks to 3D GeoMedia. By far the most popular aspect of 3D printing at the conference was 3D printing in the dental industry. There was a whole day of seminars and talks with speakers from industry and academia. I also spoke to a number of dentists who were attending the conference to find out how they could input the technology in their own practices. There were a number of manufacturers and companies exhibiting for 3D printing in dental, such as Renishaw. They were previewing a new software tool to streamline the design and manufacture of implants for dental uses. 3D bioprinting is also always exciting, and this conference is no different. From skin, bone to artificial organs, the Expo speakers covered applications, techniques and technologies for bioprinting. A presentation I've been particularly looking forward to was from the team behind 3D Fab at the University of Lyon. You may have seen on 3DMedNet, they recently received a grant from the French Army to print skin directly onto severe burns. After his presentation, I met up with presenter and 3D Fab coordinator Dr. Christophe Marquette. He told me about some of the other projects currently underway at 3D Fab, so look out for that interview on 3DMedNet. Another really exciting topic at the conference was 3D printing for pharmaceuticals and medicine. Now this is an increasingly popular application of 3D printing, although only one 3D printed drug is currently approved by the FDA, so it's really interesting to see so many scientists attending these seminars. A talk that I found particularly interesting was given by Julian Kodbach on the thermal effects in pharma-grade 3D printing. Another really interesting talk was given by Alvaro Goyans on the current and future challenges of 3D printed medicines. I caught up with both of them after their talks to find out more, and you can read both of those interviews right here on 3DMedNet. And finally, a perhaps surprisingly common topic for the presentations, but one that I'm sure a lot of people probably don't think about straight away when they think about 3D printing, was the regulatory and legal aspects. There were a number of talks at the 3D Medical Expo, from the regulatory frameworks for 3D printed medical devices to the potential legal issues surrounding 3D printing of drugs. Now this is a subject that I really didn't know much about, but it's something that I think is going to be increasingly pressing as 3D printing becomes more popular. So I spoke to two of the presenters, Claudia Lutzler and Anne Veerman, who are both lawyers specialising in this area, to find out what the future holds. With the Journal of 3D Printing in Medicine launching only a few weeks before the conference, it was also great to get feedback on our first issue. The feedback was really positive. It was great to meet some authors who were really eager to share their research with our global community of scientists. Now the first issue of the journal is currently free to view online, so visit the link in the description below to read peer-reviewed articles and expert editorials, as well as find more information about how you yourself could publish in this exciting up-and-coming title. So all in all, the 3D Medical Expo was a really great conference, and it was a really fun first event to meet all of you. Thanks to everyone that came along to booth 10 and met myself and Sonia, the editor of the Journal of 3D Printing in Medicine. Did you attend the 3D Medical Expo? What did you enjoy? And what other conferences are you attending this year, and where would you like to meet 3DMedNet and the journal next? Let me know in the comments or on Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn. Look out for those exclusive interviews with Christophe, Julian, Alvaro, Claudia and Anne, and stay tuned to find out where you can meet 3DMedNet and the Journal of 3D Printing in Medicine next. See you again soon.